The universe is made up of prisms. The universe is made up of prisms. Spare some change. The universe is made up of prisms. No. The universe is made up of schisms. The universe is made up of isms. Abstractionism, authoritarianism, arseholism, dadaism, dogmatism, dickheadism, minimalism, moralism, motherfuckerism.
Just a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Anything in particular? A latte, espresso, cappuccino, flat white?
You named a cup of coffee a flat white. What's that, a coffee drinking hipster that's been hit by a bus?
Nice accent. Is it Irish?
All the way from the land of the little people.